Alrighty. Let's quickly check the technicalities. Mic seems to come through and camera is on as well. So welcome. Welcome to Forging Altea. I do not have a beer with me today, but I do have an Aperol Spritz. Okay, we are today continuing, or hopefully finishing up completely, the thing with the chests. Let me switch to music as usual. Because let me show you the current state of it. Yeah, we added the movement last time, right? But then it's not fully integrated. Adding sound effects to chest opening sequence. Yes, that's what we're going to do. So let's open Unity. And see how, show you how it's integrated right now. Hi Naki, welcome. And then you can already see it. There are a lot of zip files that we need to unpack and take a look at to find the right sounds, because sound hunting is always the most annoying step while integrating sound effects. Because once you have those, it's actually pretty easy, but finding those is hard. Especially when you have a big pool of sound effects you can draw from. Okay. So let's show you, make it big. So we have a lot of room to show stuff. Yeah, we don't need the sounds yet because I did not add them. Alright, so logging in. I want this account. Okay. That didn't seem to have worked because I closed the website too fast. So now it worked. Okay, so first things first, you might notice a new icon here. So this is the new chest icon, and they are also integrated here with the season rewards. I'm currently on Lord 1, and I will get 4 of these chests when I finish with this rank in the season. So the feature set of, yeah, of seasons and chests coincide a little bit, and that's because they are together in that way. I already have chests to claim, but I can go in, and now we have like these chests here. So these are the new basic chests. This is still unavailable, but you can now see how many you purchase here. So this is just a multiple of 1. And in the inventory, this is where we will start today. We still have this, which is weird. Seems I did not check out the latest changes. Let me quickly check. Let's reset that, because I already changed it, but we will do it again if we have to. No, that's actually it. Okay. So we will redo it today, but that's not a problem. But yeah, when you buy those, let me quickly switch back in. When you buy one of those, you see you get 5 of these. When you switch back, you see there are now 10 pending because I had 5 pending already, but ignore the 5 because this was some weird data that is being still stuck on the server here. Yeah, you see I now have 20 and I can open them. Also, we might have to look into inputs for the mobile devices, because currently this is just configured for desktop devices. But yeah, that's essentially the complete flow. This works already, so sound is missing, and what else? Yeah, the input stuff. Yeah, we have a new follow from Daryl. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And thank you for the follow. Yeah, this camera stuff. I don't know what's going on with the latest update here, but I will get back to static framing here. So let's do this. Right. No clue what they did with the last update, but it's kind of weird. So we will have this. This is fine as well. How's the temperature at your end, guys? Because it's getting hot again here in Germany. Yeah, so what you can do here is you can inspect them like this, and based on these particles on the outside you can see if they are golden. I don't have a golden here. I could flip them open independently, but, or I double click and everything will go at once. Let's see if I can draw a golden one. Right? No golden, no golden. I'm not lucky. Not lucky today. Let's see. I think I have a few left. We should probably show how much we have left here. We could do that. Maybe that's one of the first things that we should do here. Yeah, let me quickly do that. This is just the volume a little bit here. Okay, so I can hear the music as well. UI prefabs. We need. What do we need here? Chests, and this is the view. Yes, 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 yes. And here we have the button. Open next. And what we will need here is on the icon we will add another UI text. Call it a mount. Put like a 10x here. Use the font with a shadow. Alrighty. And then we probably need it like this. Pull it to this height. Let's make it 32. We don't need that much width. Probably 45 is good for this. I think it's still too big, so let's make it like 20 or something. (2.5) and -5. Okay, so then back to this and open the code. So now is really the time to do stuff like this, because this is like final polishing, and when I stumble over it, I just do it. Because there's no harm in not doing it anyways, so. Box group, controls, serialized field, required. this will be a private TMP text amount. Next button, just amount. Text component for the next just amount. Thank you very much. And where do we need to set this? Probably here. And text. This is probably a bit misleading. Just transactions. Let's see what the number is here, because I'm guessing that's not the correct one, and that we need more info on that, but let's use it like that for now. Now when I'm starting a new tradition, CKY is not here. It's always the same. He probably will dislike the supper spritz that I'm having here. But I did not have the chance to go buy some beer. KYC is open. Yeah, for everybody interested, by the way, we extended the KYC period, added a new tier. And yeah, you can join on the Entity Launchpad. Launch. Alrighty, so let's test. I did not give him the reference. Where is it? There it is. Okay. It's again an Animal Crossing lo-fi version. So if I do this and I open that, make it big again. We see a number here, and yeah, that's what I assumed. Because there's 13, which makes sense because I guess 10 is 5. 5 is the limit per transaction, so 5 chests per transaction. So this is why he says we are at this point. So how do I get the infos out of this? Items read. Chests. Opened. And then I need to go and say chest transactions. Finished. And then we aggregate. Can I aggregate here? I can. I always hate to use this. Yeah. Total chest. Items read divided by chest package size. Something like that. Come on. Yeah. Let's leave it like that. Yeah, you can't see probably because like the Code is really hard to read on this stream because I am a widescreen user. I have all of this unused real estate down here. Okay. Let's switch it back here and try again. Before we go into the opening, let's see how many we have left. I could probably basically just check how they were doing it on this front, right? 13. So when I open one, should be 12. Haha. So okay, so let's continue to hunt for the golden item. There must be some golden item here. Nope. 4. Okay, that's not correct. I liked it better when I just manually set the chance of getting a golden item here to chest. If I'm honest. 5. Okay, I'm doing something wrong. But we could just check how they are doing it here. Because we have like this chest thingy. Right. Container. Open chests. Right. So this needs to be set somehow. So we have a chest opening. And I guess we have like the controller here. Open chest button, pending text, finish text. Yeah, this is the wrong thing here. Hi Hip, welcome. Find usages. Get chest sum. Oh, okay, this is how to do it. Yeah. Sure. Let's do it like this. And then sum it up here. Right. Yeah, that should do the trick. Dacia Duster. Welcome, thank you for the follow. We win pet NFT if we make 1k crystals. Yeah. So if you have 1k crystals and you exchange those crystals for mainnet CGO, you will automatically get a pet NFT, so the Fae pet NFT. But you have until tomorrow, I guess, because tomorrow we will close the doors to Altea, to the DevNet version. But yeah, welcome and thank you for the follow. It's always nice to see new faces around here. Is that a deadline? The hard deadline is tomorrow at 2200 UTC. You might have seen that the update was pushed today because I did that silently. Normally we announce that, but it was just a preparation thingy. And for all of guys that's always saying, no, that's not what I wanted to do. We don't have a quit button. We now have a quit button on desktop, right? I just added that because I had the time to do it. Let me quickly launch the Knights of Cathena here. What I also want to do until mainnet is make this a fully desktop version, because right now this is like this thing here. So we have a borderless window with options and stuff. First, I guess we need to fix those login thingies. So you now have like this thing, and this will quit the game. One of the major features of the latest patch. yeah, other than that, it was like under the hood stuff. So we are ready to move on to the mainnet. Yeah, we wanted to test that, so let's do this. Now they're only playing the slow stuff, right? Dark Matter, I don't know. Trips to the moon, yeah. Okay, so we should have 9. So let's open all of those because I want to see the golden one. Damn. How often do you guys draw a golden one? Again, nothing. Okay. 6 more to go. Nope. Come on. Really though? How much time do I allocate for this project daily? More than 8 hours. So we all do this full time. So everybody that you see on the website, on the team, they are these are proper employees. This is we have a company. We do this full time, 5 days a week or more. So the founders probably do more, but yeah. Come on. I don't... They don't grant me any golden items. What's happening here? What is the chance? 0.1 something? Not even a legendary. Did I draw a legendary? Come on. Yeah, that was it. Okay, but what we still have left to do here was this thingy. We need the proper icon for this, and to do that, I did that in the offices, but I did not commit it somehow. I guess something happened. Hi Ziguai, welcome. That means we need to go into core configuration, and I always forget where we have all of this stuff. I need, what do I need? I saw that some important information has changed, such as KYC tier, NFT allocation to 21 claimed boxes. What do you think of these things? I don't know if something changed. We added stuff, yeah. So we added a new tier, so people from restricted countries can invest as well. So this would be the 1,000 US dollar tier. You will also get a red. This is very exclusive. You will only get this at NFT pad when you are participating in the launch pad. And for this, you will need to purchase 21 or more tickets. And the important thing is these tickets do not have to be winning tickets. So you can purchase 21 tickets, and if none of these will be a winning ticket, you will get your EGLD refunded, and you will get the pet NFT. So does it affect the community? We think it affects the community in a positive way, because now we can include more people. Does that make sense? We did not really change the games, change the rule of the game. We just added an additional one where many more people will be happy about. Cool. Yeah, I wanted to see where all of this stuff is. Hi, Emmy. Yeah, a 2 versus 2 is indeed, I will not say planned, but we got it stuck in our heads like a long time ago. I don't know if you know 4-way chess, but if you know it, it will be similar to that. Yeah. So I don't know how it will look. Maybe you could even add a mode like free for all. So really like everybody against each other, or you can just team up and stuff. So yeah. This is. There are a lot of like game modes planned that are not really we're not really discussing openly. But yeah. Yeah, me too. I think this would be a great addition. Also, like some other stuff like Blitz, from chess as well, probably, where like you have less time to react, and even with the upcoming avatar, player avatar, there is a lot of stuff that will change gameplay wise. So I know like 3 streams ago, we discussed a little bit about that. So that there will be stuff coming like skills and additional features that will change the units a little bit. Yeah. So we have been saying this for the longest time, but everything you see right now in the game, this is really the bare minimums of the gameplay. So this is the minimal viable product. You can play it, but everything going forward after the beta version. We will add content, and a lot of it, because there's a lot of stuff planned. I don't want to get into the details because the other guys will probably just lynch me if I say too much, but yeah. Yeah, I assume that this is like 10-20% or less of what the game can become. Yeah, I think it's even lower than that, because we I don't know if you heard, but Lucas, our CEO, already discussed even the option of a PvE mode, so like a campaign, so to say, a little bit of storytelling. So really, what you see is the foundation where we will add content on top of. Even like new arenas. We already hinted to a new arena on Twitter, but these things are already planned and they're ongoing in the background. So stuff is happening, even though we're not talking openly about it that much. But yeah, if you have any more suggestions about game modes, not even like 4-way or 2 versus 2 or stuff like that, you can drop those in the suggestion channel on Discord. We know we don't write back all that much, but I collect everything in there. I have a second brain set up, and everything that strikes something inside of me, I will jot it down so we can discuss it later. But yeah, thank you for the questions. Okay, I wanted to see where the things are, and I now just remembered where they are. No. Huh. How does this work anyways? Oh, is this in configuration? Hi Oli, welcome. Where is this? Game, UI config probably, item appearances, and here we probably need to go to the end of it. Yeah, there we go. SFT basic, and there we have like this thing. And we have a special size here, which I need to replicate. This means I will open Affinity. Nope. Close. New. I wanted to the size 96. So we use that, and then let me go back into this chest. There we have it. Do we have another T chest? Basic. There it is. I want to open that in Explorer. There it is. Affinity. Pop that in. And then what I will need is a reference. Products. This T-chest, there it is. Open that on Explorer as well. And let's use this as a reference. So this should fit perfectly, it does. Then we just draw this on top. Do this. And then we just align it. Nope. Maybe a bit bigger. Yeah, something like that. We're going to export. I do have this here, and I want to export there. T-chest basic. Hi Teresa. Worst program ever. Yeah, but I mean, if we need to fix stuff up, I will still use it. Because actually MW bought it for me. Right, GIMP versus Affinity. Yeah, I don't think this will be a fruitful discussion. But that's just my opinion. And another follow. Max, welcome. I will not try to pronounce your full username, but I read Max, and that's good. Welcome. Thank you for the follow. The answer is no. Full house, a noble one. Yeah, by the way, CQI, I'm not with a beer today, but I brought myself an Aperol Spritz. I hope that's okay as well. It is alcoholic, so it should be. Aperoli! Hi, Italian style. Yeah, you could say that. Okie dokie. So that we have that, we can move over here again, do this, and we will just plop this in here. Digestive plus Prosecco. Makes the stream better. You have a weird symbol next to your hip. I don't know what that is. Are you listening only? That I didn't know that this was something that Twitch chat shows. Tradition with alcohol should never stop. Okay. I was not sure if you would approve or not. Huh. So let's walk into this. Chests. Yeah. Now we have the correct ones. This is the broken one. And this was something that I thought I fixed. Let me show you this. What do we have here? 60, 30, 9 and 1. Okay. I guess there's like this detail controller, so chest detail controller. And here we have the rarities. So we will enable the debugger. Eat the burger. I don't have a burger here. Might be that. Yeah, but I recently added those values, so I copied them over in the console, so they should be correct. But yeah, the problem was that it wasn't correct in the database. But nevertheless, the values that we showed are way too big. So let's see what values do we get even. So let's move in here, chests, do this. We do have rarities, yes, 4 of those. Yeah, they are weird. We should probably format those to 2 decibels. Decibels, floating points. Why are they so weird? Zero. Because this should probably be 60. Maybe I copied over some weird data. That could be it. Yeah. The question is, how did that work? Because I never remember this, so I have to consult the internet. C# format float to 0 decimal places. Left align, what stuff you can do. So I have to do this. Oops. Where is it? It's getting hot in here as well. And yes, every 90s kid, when somebody says it's getting hot in here, has this song stuck in his head or her head. That's just how it goes. I would play it right now, but then I cannot upload the video. So where do we have get this value? These values, right? I think they're hard coded. Yeah. But now we have Y. It's better than it was before. You could not read anything there. Just want it to be like this. C# float to string without decimals. Yeah, just ignore those. String format. Method to remove trading zeros from the floating point. Price for chests will be the same as before, or that will be changed also. MW has the answer for that. What is happening? To string with F0. Yeah, why not? Ah, yeah, this is nice. I don't need it for multiple ones, but F0. And you would just say, let's do this. Yeah, sure. So no easy legendaries. No, you just saw me open a bunch of chests. I not even. Did I get a legendary? I don't think I got one. Now we have the quiet today, the quiet songs. I would use VPN or something next time if I were you. So inventory chests. Yeah, this is the thingy. Yeah, now we have like, now that they're rounding as well. So this is not exactly accurate, but guess we will have to check back with MW if the data is correct within the database. But for now that's good. So what I can do here is purchase those and keep them closed. Alrighty. So I will just have now these here. The question is now if I open these, I have 2 pending because these are 2 transactions. Yeah, and we should probably show them as single chests. Hi there, welcome, Curyu. Yeah, you know, I'm not going to try to pronounce that. Yeah, we should have pendings like these. Yeah. I don't get a back. Okay, this is an issue as well, so let's look into that. Either this or this. I'm not sure. Manual is better. Inventory chests. So we're showing 2 here, which is weird already. Because they are showing the transaction count. So we have this. Let's follow through that. God damn, there's... So then we have the next chest, and the next chest, something, set the icon, but open next chest is false. Then we fade to 1. We also don't use that. Set ease, button canvas ease. Should actually work. I guess we need to exit always. And this as well. Mic check, 1, 2.
Yeah, it all started with a step and then evolved into a movement. This music had molded me into a person in tune with the rhythms that surrounded me. The haters started doubting me, but no one could attempt to be the person I was bound to be. Now I'm grown with no intention to stop, dropping knowledge like a nervous librarian, while kicking veteran flows that's better than most, selling out shows. Never forget my past cause it wasn't so long ago. I was broke, choking on herb, writing words in my palm. Keeping calm cause the level head will always keep you strong. This long road chasing
Also probably need this here. And this feels like we should add a method.
Navigated my way through the dark and never fallen a victim to people disguised as sharks, Follow my heart even if it led me to ruin. Allowed to make mistakes cause damn, I'm only human, right? Chasing the light like it's calling to me. No matter how much you try, there's nobody else that can do me. Follow my heart even if it led me to ruin. Allowed to make
We need buttons or set up buttons.
Life under pressure has me learning every single day, changing my ways to escape this phase, riding the waves. Hope it takes me to a different place than where I'm at. Finally made it out, but then them problems try to pull me back until that mindset that never lets go. They hate to see you rise, so they keep you below. Instead I float on the hands of my fans so my family will never have to be poor. Putting in work, I always strive to be perfect. Knee deep in the game without even scratching the surface. Searching for purpose in this puzzling game. The struggle is universal, we all go through the pain. Different lanes that be leading
Alrighty.
to the same destination.
Shows the buttons. For you. What happened? Chest, claim, controller. We should probably also do this. No, we can keep it. Right, yeah. Sure. Nope. 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 Come on. What is up today with this playlist? Okay, so if I do this now and I do this and I open all of them because I'm lazy, I should see this and I should be able to do this. Yeah. Question is, what will happen if I go back? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is that correct? Or it should be 10 then. Yeah, so this updates probably 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, cool. Awesome. So what we need now is the chest details controller here. I am assuming, and this is a big assumption, that we have like some sort of a callback here. So we initialize stuff, we do this and we do that, and we do this. Create item amount, good current item view. Handle items updated. Yeah, so this is the callback here. So what we will need to do here is, yeah, this is wrong. Select chest, get chests. How did we do that before? Claim chest controller. There was some kind of thing here. Yeah, then we sum it up. We probably don't need to do that. Var chests. Okay, we should do it in here. Chests or amount. Chest, get chests. And then we should probably loop over that. Amount. And do this. Oh, that's the cell stuff. We probably need this for open. Yeah. I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to paste it here. Yeah, that's exactly the same. And we get rid of that here. I don't even know if this is correct because pending should probably not be able to be sold. I don't know. So by the finished we go over this, yeah. Right, so this is basically what I'm doing here as well, right? Yeah. Finished. What? I just copied that, right? Where is this coming from? Oh, weirdo shit. But yeah. Where did I copy that? Here? Okay. I don't know if this is correct. But now we should have the correct amount of pending chests if we open them. So let's quickly verify that. What is happening when we get like this update thing? We just reinitialize, right? Init items. Init items does this. Yeah. Okay. Cool. It's not as good as a beer, CKY. So I should probably get back into the store and really buy like something for the stream, right? Okay, so let me buy these, keep them closed. This should be this. And in the inventory, we should be getting this. And if I open these, like 5 of those, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's correct. And after we're done, these will turn into those. Awesome. So yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. Coolio. The question still remains. Yeah, I will not get lucky today. Sell. We only have these here. Oh, since these are pendings. Isn't that correct? I guess it is. Because we only have those, and this makes a lot of sense. Because we have. Do we though? But it's okay. So that should be good. Cool. So with this fixed, we should probably just quickly go into the sequence and change a bit of the camera swoop, make it a bit faster. Hello, can I do something? I want wanted to go into the scene. Where is it? Menus. Claim new. Do this. Do these. Then we do this, and then we do activator context. Right. We don't need any of these informations. What we will need is this thing and the handy eThings.net. We have a inquad. Well, let's just change this to an exponential, because why the heck not? And see where we go from there. Yes, I want to save that. But can I play from the scene? This would be amazing. I can't. I can. There we are. I don't think exponential will be the thing, but the inquint may be the thing. Uh, 2.95 and something. Yeah, I did it again. But yeah, we can check it from here as well. But it takes quite a bit longer. So let's try it this way. Yeah, see? When I use my logic, I would get golden items. But yeah, there's a 25% chance in this setup that I will get those. So. it's a bit of cheating, but not really. Because this is for testing purposes, right? Yeah, there's a legendary C. I mean, the quality is not that good, but it's a legendary. Cool. If with that fixed and with the other thing fixed, we should probably look into input stuff. Fix the input up. eThings. We're just going to keep you here for now. And I will pull you back like this. There is a claim chest input controller, and what we will need to add here is a handler to stuff, which is stuff that I just first need to do here. We have controls, we have UI, and within those UI controls I want a, how do I, because when I have a click I have a touch. Yeah, let's add a touch or continued touch. This will be a path through with an interaction of a hold. Yeah, 0.5 is probably good, I guess. This will be a binding of touch or touch. Dude, I don't know. Is it this? Probably. So I need to handle that separately. Yeah, let's keep it like this for now. This would mean we have a new action here. Public action on continued. Touch. Fires when the user Chance to touch the screen. Then we have controls, UI, no. Continue touch, performed. Right. Handle, continued, touch, performed. Create that. Let's go down here. Handles, the thank you, CTX, we don't need that. Context of the event. Let's rename this and say on continue touch we do this. Back in input we will handle that. God damn, this is not that hard to write, right? Handle, yeah. Come on, come on. No, I just wanted to be named this. Handle, come on. Let's do this. Handle, there we go. And just do this. Here we say debug log, handle, continue touch. Yeah. Let me pull this down here. Then we need some logic in here as well, but we'll come to that. Where's destroy? Do we have a destroy? No, we should have a destroy here. That will unsubscribe from these. Yeah. Or we call it on Unity. No. Unity destroy, yeah. And now I need to simulate things. Touches within the editor, which is always a hard thing to do, but we can do it. Handle click, I call it click. But I should probably call it click or tab or something. On double click or double tab is also something. Yeah, we probably have to rename those. But that's not a biggie. Excuse me. Cool. We have to set this up to test setup, input system, simulate mobile. This is one of the first things that we need to do. And the second thing that we need to do is something in here. There was like an input debugger, yeah. And within those input debuggers, I can say simulate touch from mouse and pen, yeah. I want that. Yeah, we need to do this differently then. Cool, but I don't know if you saw, but we have the correct message here. This is cool. What I want to do here is rename it to continued click. And also pull in here the tip of a pen, the left button of a mouse. Oh no, what was it? Tip of a pen. Then the other thing is the left mouse button, and yeah, controllers. I don't care about controllers really. We will get there, but not right now. Click, double click, and we have a continue click. Cool. In the input provider, we should probably rename Windows to on click or tab or tab, on continued click or tab. And yeah, this seems fine. So here we have to change it to handle click or tab or tab. Cool. Now what we need to do is separate like the logic from mobile to desktop, because on mobile I wanted to have a continued click to hover, to have the hover state, which also means we need something for release. Ha! I don't know if this is a good system, but we will do it. We have an action, which is oh, we have a cancel here, right? Let me quickly check this here. Debug the log. Yeah, we'll get a context, but I don't really care about it. Continued touch. Cancelled, which is wrong because we renamed that to click. And we will save it. Cancel that. Almost empty. So we are still doing this. Yeah, I pressed the wrong button again. No, I want this. Thank you very much. Do this, this. Then we do this. And when I do this, I don't get the continued touch, I get it cancelled. Input. Oh, because the left mouse button is in here. Let's pull this down for now. And do it again. do they add those correctly? So if I look at this, yeah, they do. Huh. Would you look at those? I should probably do that as well. Also, a double tap would be something that I was really interested in. Touch. But it should be first. Right. Something like that. This would be keyboard and mouse, and this would be touch. Keyboard and mouse, touch. Yeah. Yeah, I pressed the wrong button again and I did not even notice. I need this. And I broke it probably. Did I? Yeah, I did. This means we have to restart because reflected code is kinda ugly. Even though it should work. Toolbar, play title. Yeah, then we do this. Then we do this. And when we change to current scene. If that's not null. Yeah, this should actually work. Still simulating. Input subsystem is probably also still simulating, which would be good because this is what we want. First, it needs to recompile. Input, simulate mobile, call, context, activate, click. I'm confused, this worked before, right? Did we get the cancel? Yeah. But come on, I don't want you. Why don't we get like the continued thing? Is it because we need to have a tab in here? I don't know. Tab 0. We have a press point and a hold time of 0.4. Yeah. Why doesn't it work? Held touch, continue touch performed. I don't get it. This should work. It's always the same with this new input system. We have a new follow. Church's hat? Churches, yeah, thank you for the follow. I don't know why you have a Churches for your hat, but that's fine by me. Why? Why is this the way it is? We do have the double click. Playing modern Minecraft, you always have some weird stuff on your head. Yeah, I give you that point. Okay. Yeah, that's also fine by me. Now, if somebody would explain to me why this is not working, this would be amazing. Can I, for now, like, just... I would just delete it for now. Right. You always have something weird on your head. Speaking of that, it's been a while since I've been online. The question is it still running? What was it? Curse? I hope not. I hope they let their servers run. Yeah, it launches on this side. Why not? Sure. Yeah, I want to do this. Let's see. I'm curious. So this stream is now officially a Minecraft stream. Yeah, I keep preparing stuff. I don't know. I clicked the wrong button again. But we have now a simulated touchscreen. I do get the cancelled though, but I don't understand why I don't get the other one. I mean, even when I add back in the binding for the left mouse, right? Left mouse, there we are. We do have a hold time of 0.5 and a press point of 0.4 and 0.5. This should be good. Oh, I know. So let me quickly check this here. Yeah. Performed. Then it's sort of weird why it didn't work in the other scene, but yeah. We'll figure it out. Is Minecraft still doing stuff? Yeah, there it is. That's pretty over here. Okay. So this should be continued touch performed. And then it doesn't work anymore. So is this like a single thing? That would be really, really, really weird. So if I do this, don't simulate that. Input, inspector, don't simulate that as well. Okay, so it works. It's just something with upward simulation. Cool. So now that this works, we can use that. On continue click a topic. Fires when the user stops touching the screen. Hence continue click cancelled, which is really hard to write. I always have problems with that. Let's create those. Let's go down here and we will say on continued click over invoke handles the. Thank you. We will just copy that. Alrighty. Then we need to copy this over as well over here. And get it on here. Cool. You are saying it's never assigned. Do not yeah, sure, why not? Private void handle over and we would actually want to do this. No. What do we want to do here? We want on a continued click. First of all, we only want to do something if it is a mobile platform, so if it's not, we will return. Then we want to do something similar to this. Yeah, we can. Yeah, I don't care. And if hovered item is not null anymore, is still there, we would do this, and same with this. which would mean that we will just quickly add like this here to disable that. So we can test the other stuff. So the idea is on mobile, there is no hover. So a long tap will reveal like the hover state, and a double tap will reveal the whole item. Yeah. If one is hovered already. Yeah, we need to factor it out in 2 methods, I guess, because this will be unwieldy. Can we do it in here? Yeah, cool. So single tap here, that should be good. Then we have a hold tab. Not sure why it's not working, but we will add a debugger and see if this thing is triggered. Input subsystem UI on continue to click over. Yeah, it's still up and running. I'm really surprised that the stream is glitching out, right? Because I'm using too much RAM right now. And Minecraft is like a hog when it comes to RAM. But everything's still there. Let's close it again. Is it not correctly initialized? We don't have it here, we don't have it here, yeah. So if I do this, the subsystem should be initialized. It works. But if I now do this, yeah, we should probably don't use this here when we are testing. That makes a lot of sense. what, like 2 minutes now? I just copied over a comment, right? Sometimes you gotta hate it. Okay. We don't have the update running, so if I do this, it should fire up this. We want to return here. Okay, I guess it would be easier to just like implement all of these features like on their own right now, and then see if it works. So void on tab. We don't need anything on tab, on double tab. Then we need on continued tab, continued tab over. And what we need on double tab is this. And if we have this, you will just say item reveal. There we go. Have a wait here and make this async. Have an early return for better visuals. Cool. On continued tab, we basically want to do the same. So that we will say if hover item is not null, we will just say stop hover, and we'll just say here hover item is item, and then hover item start hover. Right, this is it. And if this is pretty straightforward, we just want to unhover here if we have something hovered. Cool. What we need on click. On click, we do want to have like this thing that we currently have, because this is like desktop code. Then on double click, we will want to have this. And for this, I will want to have another method here, private void async void reveal all. Paste it all in, because we will reuse that. So on double click, we want to have a reveal all. But this check needs to come off of it. Yeah. Nope. Like this. Cool. And with the double tab to reveal, and if we double tap somewhere where we don't have this, we will just do a reveal all. Yeah, that's about it. Cool. So here we just do application is mobile platform, and if it is, we just say on continued tab over. There's no otherwise, we don't have the over in the desktop state. This is also pretty straightforward. On continued tab. add this here. So settings, private bool. Let's simulate the shit out of this. This is not required. Flag whether or not to simulate mobile input. Cool. So we can test essentially, you know. This should be easy. Same here. We can keep that running. On click thingies. So if we have a application is a mobile platform, we will have on yeah, we will do this. As we will just say on double click. Cool. Yeah. Click. If application is mobile platform false, we want to do on click. Yeah, I think that should be it. Handles the thank you. Handles the thank you. So if you click a tab, we will do this. Reveals all items if there are any. Handles the desktop. Click event. Double click event. Cool. Handles the mobile. Double tap. And it's the continue tab event, cool. And handles the continue tab event over. I can add this here. Yeah. I said we're doing sound effects today, but input took longer than expected. Let's do this, and I did not change it. So here we need to do this. Yeah, you have no box group, of course. So, okay. Why does he do this? I have a click. that correct? You're saying if it's not a mobile platform with desktop and if you're not simulating. Yeah. Bullshit, bro. What? Yeah, that seems to work. So when I like just long click here, so this would be holding on to the tab. And then when I double click, it will do this. And when I double click somewhere else, it doesn't work. Double tap. Maybe you should actually probably do this here. And just say return. Because and also here. Because if you hit something else, yeah. Cool. So that would be mobile input implemented. So hold to hover, double click to reveal, and double click to reveal all if you don't click on a single item. I think this should be good. Okay, now you can hear me again. Hey. Let's try again. Activate claim chest. We have a tab thing, claim chest, sequence controller. Cool. The way this works, I think I'm going to hop off early today because I'm a little bit tired already. So hover does this. Pretty cool. Double click on an item and double click. Cool. Yeah. That's essentially everything I wanted. So we can go back in here and do this and check if everything else is also still working. So the desktop side of things. Context, activate scene, claim basic chest. We have to click here. Then we have the hovers. Cool. Clicks here. This was a bit too fast for my liking. So if I... No, that was correct though. Yeah. That seems to work. Cool. So this is mobile input implemented. Damn, that took longer than expected. I just thought this would be like doing some stuff around them things, but no. As usual, we are very bad at predicting stuff. So let me commit that. No, we don't need those textures, but we need those prefabs. Core subsystems, no. Yeah, this is what I want. This was a short chest. Added basic chest item appearance. Also fix the chances display on the chest details controller and the inventory, which now uses the server side values and displays them as a single, or displays them without decimals. Cool. Commit. Then we should append that, amend that, so amend it. Then we edit this, yes, we changed something around here as well. UI controls, yes, this is generated. This is the provider that we are using, looks good. Then we just say feat, which just stands for feature. Added mobile input configuration and implementation. Mobile touch for the chest opening sequence. Yeah. Let's push that. Cool, so we did not do what I intended to do, and the camera's again doing something weird. Let's stop that. Yeah, but we finished off adding the chests as an item, opening them correctly, and adding inputs for touch screens or mobile devices in general. Yeah, that's about it for today. I know I'm 5 minutes early, but next week we will do 5 minutes more. So yeah. Cool. So thank you for everybody who stopped by. Thank you for all the follows. And I will see you next week. Until then, have a great rest of the day, great rest of the week, and as always, a great weekend. So guys, take care. Bye.